Let's talk about the mobile enterprise. We all know it's important. We all know it accelerates decision-making, streamlines operations, empowers employees, satisfies customers. And we all know it's not the wave of the future. It's how business flows right this second. But there's still a question. One only you can answer. How will you get there? How will you plan your mobility strategy, create your mobile application architecture, establish and enforce your device policies, create absolute security for every device, and how will you manage it all over time? To find the best answers, the best companies turn to VSS. Whether it's help with the full mobility lifecycle, with some of the critical tasks, or with ongoing managed services. Worldwide, when businesses think enterprise mobility, they think VSS. Mobility starts with a focused enterprise mobility strategy. You'll find that focus with VSS. Start by inventorying your business processes and challenges, and the applications you use to solve them. Not every application can go mobile. Our feasibility studies pinpoint which can and which can't. You'll review and approve a full set of use cases for each line of business, blending industry trends, best practices, and our own experience, and will likely uncover new use cases for future mobility growth. The result? The roadmap you need to make smart decisions, justification, business usage, cost and priority, and projected ROI. That's how VSS built the mobility strategy for one of the world's largest agricultural food products companies, and that's how we'll build it for you. A solid architecture is the foundation of mobile application development. You'll build that foundation with VSS. You'll understand each mobile use case in the context of your existing applications, skills, and systems. You'll match each use case to the right deployment model, native, HTML5, or hybrid. You'll know how your applications will integrate with back-end systems, partner networks, with each other, and with whatever comes tomorrow. You'll rely on our skilled developers and testers and our library of accelerators for fastest time to launch. And you'll align application deployment schedules with customer initiatives and business objectives. The result? A clear analysis of your development options, costs, and our recommendations for the best fit solutions. That's how VSS built the application strategy for a leading company in the healthcare durable goods industry. And that's how we'll build it for you. Your mobile device strategy must include every approved device, including BYODs, now and in the future. You'll build that strategy with VSS. Your functional and system dependencies are the cornerstone of your device strategy. Within that context, you'll handle all the demands devices make. VSS will build your security plan, define ongoing system administration, and create acceptable use policies. The result? A long-range device strategy for today's devices and tomorrow's mobile innovations. We don't stop at strategy. We help you execute, too. We'll handle Level 1 and Level 2 support services and drive a smooth process for escalation. Our managed services lift the burden of provisioning, MDM management, running the services desk, and retiring devices. That's how VSS built the device strategy for an international leader in the beverage industry. And that's how we'll build it for you. You need to plan how devices, including BYODs, will be managed, maintained, and monitored. You'll build that plan with VSS. You'll have a fully developed set of enforceable corporate and technical policies. That includes how you'll provide and manage secure device access to your corporate network and resources. You'll exercise proactive management policies for procurement, support, compliance, security, remote management, expense management, and decommissioning, and will help you choose the right tools for ongoing MDM activities. The result? A comprehensive plan that details requirements, selection scorecards, proofs of concept, launch plan, and ongoing management practices. That's how VSS built the MDM strategy for one of the leading beauty and personal care retailers in the US. And that's how we'll build it for you. Mobile devices changed how we buy and consume. Now they're changing how we communicate and conduct business. Which brings us back to the first question we asked. How will you get there? With over 500 active customers, over 350 highly certified technologists, and more than 2 decades of experience helping enterprises transform their technologies, VSS brings the right mix of expertise and experience to every mobility challenge we address. Whether you need help with the entire enterprise mobility cycle or the expertise to handle some of its challenges, when you think mobility, think VSS.